Hello again, folks. So here we are, another sunny day in Spain. So sorry about that, you know, but you can probably see from the skies up above us there, absolutely beautiful. It's probably about, I think it's about 19 degrees today, isn't it? And yeah, so we off to Elche. It's a city and a municipality, just up the road really, it's not too far away. And we thought we'd take you along for the ride and show you this beautiful city and what it has to offer. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It is beautiful.
It's very traditional sort of Spanish city, I'd say. Very, very nice. Some of the architecture's lovely too.
Hope you enjoy it.
And we've got one shout out for Dave and Jill.
Thank you, Dave and Jill.
Thank you so much for the bacon butties. They will go down very nicely. That's awesome. Thank you so much. It really means a lot.
It does.
So yeah,
it really does. Thank you so much.
And we'll see you all later on.
Hope you enjoy the video.
Bye. Welcome to our channel. We are the Bebspeed. If you would like to join us on our travels, then please do subscribe.
Well, look how beautiful this walkway is.
Anybody want an orange?
It's absolutely lovely. Wonderful, beautiful. And here are our two friends, Brad and Helen.
You can't put them on.
we could cut them. We could cut them out.
You have to cut them out now, aren't you? It's not fair. What we got here? What's it say? Covering area.
Oh, this is the
right.
Palm Grove way that you were talking about.
Yeah. So there's over 200,000 palms apparently.
That building there is that one there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 1932 or something. Oh, it was part of the railway station.
Belonged to the Count of Casa Rojas.
It's so beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
It's just unusual, isn't it?
Yeah. Turn right here.
But it was made a UNESCO site, I believe, in the early 2000s.
All right. And how many palm trees say? Over 2,000?
Over 200,000.
200,000. Wow.
Yeah. Apparently, from what I read on Google, anyway.
Nice, isn't it? It's a lady that knows where she's going.
Yeah, she's been in before, yeah. It's a trap, don't follow her. She's trying to get us to follow her and then we'll get ambushed.
You've watched too many films, Scott. Is it a cafe? No way. Oh, have a look. Is it a cafe?
Let's have a look. Let's have a look, see what's there.
We've got time, haven't we?
Got all day.
That'd be funny, wouldn't it?
It's got chairs, isn't it? Somebody's sat in there. But I don't see tables, I only see chairs.
No, only chairs, isn't there? It's like a...
Oh, I wonder if it's like some kind of...
function room type thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How beautiful is that building? There's quite a few buildings around here that are absolutely stunning. Oh wow, look at that! Got to go down there, guys, at some point, haven't we? And that's a museum.
So, yeah, you're the tour guide.
Oh look at the angel!
Oh, that's nice.
I bet that's gorgeous lit up at night.
Oh, there's another one, huh? No, I wonder if they're taking them down there for Christmas.
Ah, they might be actually.
Yeah.
So clean, it looks like it's wet on the floor, but it's not.
€2.
You live behind me.
I know, beautiful, aren't they? You feel like you can just step back hundreds and hundreds of years if you just step over there, couldn't you?
The doors are huge, aren't
Absolutely enormous.
they? Yeah.
Do you want to stand by the door, Scott?
Stand by the door?
Yeah.
Do you want to stand by the door?
So it gives peeps a perspective of how big the door is.
These were built when giants were around.
Yeah.
Because look at the opposite.
Wow, look at that.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is amazing.
Well, it was the...
Finding ourselves down another little alleyway, aren't we, Scott?
We are, yeah.
We're just in a
Just
town.
loving this town.
Beautiful, and it's so well kept and
So clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, very
Look,
clean.
there's more little alleyways off the main square.
Yeah, it's lush.
Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've just been in a cafe, haven't we?
We are.
It was funny, we ordered like 2 Americanos, 2 cafe leches, coffee with milk, and 2 croissants and 2 chocolate. And then they ended up bringing us 2
Hot chocolate.
hot
things,
chocolates,
Yeah, they were lush.
and then this kind of
And bread with oil.
like a
on it.
toasted bread with oil. Yeah, it was all very nice. But
Very good.
for all that was €17.
Yeah, bargain.
Yeah, really good.
Well, there was quite a lot there, wasn't there?
It was lovely as well, very nice. There we go. I'll show you around this little alleyway we're walking down. Oh, look at that. And I reckon it has a totally different vibe again during the evening. There we go, there's a menu of the day. And you get a starter, a main,
Oh, there you go, it's in English there.
and it includes bread again, a pudding or coffee. And £12.90.
Do it in English
Euro.
there, look.
€12.90. How good is that? We had one yesterday, didn't we, in Catral?
Yeah.
Starter, main, bread, dessert, and you had a beer,
Yeah,
and
you
I had a
beer, you
lemon
had a nice
tea.
tea, didn't you?
€10.
I know, that's two bargains. Yeah.
And it was lovely as well. It wasn't just
Yeah, it's nice, wasn't it? It's like spaghetti bolognese for a start, wasn't it? And
Yeah.
huge chicken and chips
Chicken and
for a
chips.
second.
And then we had the pineapple and some chocolate mousse cake and a beer and a lemon tea.
Very good.
€10.
We forgot to take the camera yesterday, didn't we?
We did forget to take the camera. In fact, guys, we've been a bit guilty this last couple of weeks,
It's been rubbish.
and we forgot to take the camera everywhere we've been.
Yeah, so we need to take the camera and get plenty of content for you now.
We do. We need to show you these places because they are beautiful,
Yeah.
stunning, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Really recommend
Yeah, we've had
it.
our kind of 2-week holiday now, haven't we, on the
Yeah.
site, and now it's time to get out and about and visit places.
It's time
and
to show you guys what's here and get you to come and sample it for yourselves because it's beautiful.
Yeah, definitely come. Yeah, Spain's lovely.
And the sun makes you feel so much better. And I know you guys are probably suffering with the
Yeah,
cold
sorry.
winter rain,
Yeah, the weather's a bit crap back home, isn't it?
but
Apparently.
you know, if you can ever come over to Spain in the summer, in the
Well, all the
winter,
winter, yeah.
winter I should
Winter,
say,
yeah.
and
Come over here in the winter, absolutely.
beautiful, isn't it? We're going down more alleyways, aren't we?
Well,
It's beautiful. There's alleyway after alleyway. You could seriously get lost, couldn't you?
we'll go back to the museum in a bit, can't we?
Do you think he'll let us in?
Yeah, it'll be closed then, won't it?
We just come across this another square, part of this town. Probably not speaking loud enough actually. We'll come across the square and look how beautiful that is. Manu Gomeres 2006. How beautiful is that? So walking around Elche, and we do find in different towns and things, they love their sculptures. Oh, look at that, doesn't that look refreshing? Looks like an old ruin actually, I'd say. And a castle. Well, it looks like a castle, I'm not sure if it is. But yeah, look at this, how lovely is that? Feel like you just step back in time, don't you? Not with that new building on the right, but let's imagine that not there.
It's an imposing Moorish style fortress and concert venue, also home to the city's archaeology museum.
Well, it's beautiful.
Oh, very well.
Ok. Revuelto.
Oui, sí.
Ok. Revuelta.
Gracias.
Jamón
Thank you. Gracias.
y salmón. De nada.
Nice.
Oh.
Una sal. ¿Vale?
Gracias. So we are trying to walk. I can't even talk. I've not even had any alcohol.
Good God, what's the matter with you, woman?
Well, we're going for a walk to walk off our lunch.
Walk off our lunch. Right.
Yeah, and this is what we found, which looks rather marvellous, doesn't it?
Yes, another section of the palm grove.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.